Welcome back to OpenSIS Training, Asian Hope. In order to use OpenSIS as a gradebook, you will need to add the assignments, quizzes, and tests to the gradebook. To do this, first verify that you are in the correct subject, course, and course period. Next, click on the Grades tab. Click the arrow next to Gradebook and click Assignments. Right now, there are no assignment types found. The first thing you will add are the assignment types. These should be very broad names because these are your categories. In each category, you will set up the individual assignments under each type. For example, let's set up 3 different assignment types. One called Test. Click Save. Another one let's call Quizzes, so we'll click the plus arrow, add the name Quizzes, click Save. And the third will be Homework. So click the plus arrow, Homework, and Save. Now let's say you want to weight the different assignment types differently. Say you want most of the grading to come from the tests and less to come from homework and quizzes. You can easily set this up in the grades preferences. Make sure, again, you're in the correct subject, course, and course period. Under the Grades tab, on the Setup drop-down arrow, click Configuration. You will need to put a check marks next to Weight Grades. Scroll down and click Save. Once your grades are showing as weighted, you can go back to your gradebook, go back to the assignments, and when you click on each assignment type, it will tell you that the current percent of final grade is 0 and the percent total is also 0. So we'll need to change that so that the percent total will equal 100%. So what we'll do is we'll change the homework, so we'll click on the 0%. Let's say we want homework to be weighted as 30% of the final grade. We'll put in 30% and click Save. We can then go to Quizzes, change Quizzes. Let's say that will be 20% of the final grade. Click Save. And Tests. So we'll click on Tests. Test will then need to be 50% of the final grade for the percent total to equal 100. We'll click Save. And now you can see the percent total is no longer in red, which means you are good to go. So the next thing you'll want to do is set up your assignments under each assignment type. Once again, make sure you're in the correct subject, course, and course period. Make sure you're on the Grades tab, Gradebook drop-down, and click Assignments. Make sure you're under the correct assignment type. In this case, we're under Tests. So now we can add the first test. Click on the plus arrow under the Assignments section. And here's where we'll put in test number 1. It's worth 20 points, or however many points your test will now be worth. And then you can tell it when it's assigned and when it's due. So let's say we're assigning it today. Since it's a test, it'll also be due today. And we can click Save. Now you can see under the test assignment type, your first test is now assigned. We can also do the same thing under homework. If you click on the homework assignment type, there are no assignments found. We'll click on the plus under homework. We can say homework assignment number 1. It'll be worth 5 points. We will assign it on Monday. It will be due on Friday. And we can click Save. Later, you can go back and grade the students' assignments when the time is appropriate. You can add as many assignment types under as many assignment types as necessary, and you can add as many assignments under each assignment type as necessary as well.